Hello everyone, my name is Michael Markakis, and this is a video on how to use Excel to make a grain size distribution graph for sieve analysis. Let's get right into it. The data needed is the sieve diameters and their corresponding percent finer values. Percent finer is calculated when performing the lab. Place the two lists of numbers in two columns next to each other, like so. After having your two columns of numbers in the right position, highlight all of the numbers. With the numbers still highlighted, select the Insert tab, which can be found on the ribbon. On the Insert tab, you will see a group of graph icons. Select the Insert Scatter Plot or Bubble Chart. A drop-down list will appear. Hovering over the graph for a second or two will display the names of the graphs and also give a preview of what graphs will look like. Select the one that says Scatter with smooth lines and markers. This will then automatically generate a smooth line scatter plot using the numbers you previously highlighted. The graph currently has a linear axis, but what we want is logarithmic. We also want the x-axis to be in reverse order. Lastly, we want the axis labels to clarify the graph and make the graph readable. So the first thing you want to do is double click on the numbers on the x-axis. A sidebar will pop out on the right. On the bottom of the sidebar, click the box next to the values in reverse order. Right above you will see a box for logarithmic scale. Click it. You will notice that on the graph, the y-axis are placed in the middle of the graph. In order for it to be back to normal on the left, on the middle of the sidebar, switch the format from automatic to maximum axis value. The last thing you want to do is add axis labels. To do this, click anywhere on the graph. You'll see on the top right a button that looks like a box with a plus sign in it. This is to add chart elements. Select it and below select axis titles. This will give you the ability to add text boxes next to the axes where you can label them. Now label the y-axis percent finer and the x-axis grain size. Lastly, you can change the title to be whatever you want. For mine, I'm going to call it grain size distribution chart. So that's it. This is how you make a grain size distribution graph for sieve analysis. Thank you for watching.